Just wrapped up a great day with the Riverside DA's Bureau of Investigations. We found some bad guys, got them arrested, and I got to see the process. And the process is pretty intense. And here's what I'll say. I'm sad that organizations like the ICAC, the Internet Crimes Against Children, have to exist. But I'm grateful for the men and women who work there and deal with this difficult thing day in, day out to save kids. I got to tell you, experiencing this was surreal, and watching the process, and they take it very seriously. It's a difficult, emotional, and meticulous thing that they do, but the team had amazing camaraderie. And so the thing that I'll take away from this is great men and women are doing very difficult things to help save and protect our children. And this is happening in our backyard. If you're interested in learning more about it, go to ourrescue.org